So far, we have looked at all the data from the point of view of creatives and ad campaigns by viewing and analyzing the contents under Top Creatives tab. Anstrex allows you to look at the data in various alternative formats. One such option is available under Top Products tab. Here, we solely focus on e-commerce campaigns where an ad leads to a website that is running an e-commerce platform. We parse and analyze this data further to allow you to look at the in-stream ad campaigns from Tik-Tok from the point of view of single products. The layout for this view is very similar to the Top Creatives tab. You have a drop-down filter and sort options available at the top. Below that, you have the slider bar that contains various sliders for numerical parameters and a search button that leads to modal dialog box for basic and advanced search. The actual data is presented to you in a card format, with each card representing a single product. In terms of drop-down filter, you have a country filter that allows you to view products receiving traffic from specific countries. You also have access to following sorting filters. Highest engagement. Engagement is the ratio of likes to total views or impressions. This sorting method shows the products with highest combined user engagement from all the ads. Most likes. As the name suggests, products with highest number of combined likes from all the ads are shown on the top. Most views. Products with highest views or impressions combined from all the creatives are displayed on the top in descending order. Most expensive. This method will show you the most expensive products first. This method uses US dollars as the currency parameter for sorting. If the product is listed in a non-US currency, it is converted into US dollars and used for sorting. Least expensive. This method will show you the most cheapest products in US dollars first. Most ads. This method will show you products with largest number of in-stream ads or creatives. Most popular. Popularity is defined as a sum of views, shares, bookmarks, and comments. This sort order shows all the ads that received maximum user interaction on the top. Let's look at the data after applying some of the sorting methods to better understand each method. For highest engagement, we are looking at the ratio of total likes and total views. Therefore, products with highest ratio of likes to total views will be shown first as evident from the results. Most likes method only looks at the total number of likes and therefore shows you products with highest likes as seen on your screen. Most expensive products will show you product with highest price as evident on your screen. For example, the first product in the results has a price tag of over $248,000 US dollars. Most popular parameter looks at sum of likes, views, shares, comments, and bookmarks. Accordingly, product with largest sum of all the key parameters are shown first on the results page. Below the drop-down menu bar, you have the slider bar to adjust the range of various numerical filters such as total likes for the product, total views or impressions for the product, total like rate in percent format, which is the ratio of total likes to total views, price range in US dollars, number of ads found pointing to the same product. Duration is the total number of days for which the product has been active on paid in-stream ad campaigns. Here, you also have access to basic and advanced search methods which allow you to specify keywords to identify specific products. The mechanics and working of both basic and advanced search has been discussed in detail in other tutorial videos. Please view those videos to understand how the search functions work in Anstrex. On the results page, each card contains key parameters for each product, including date the product was added to the store, date the product was last seen in the store by Anstrex, primary image representing the product, Product title. Total likes received by the product from various ads. Total shares received by the project from various ads. Total views received from the product ads. Product price in US dollars and local currency, if applicable. If you click on the products card, you will get more insights in a multi-tab panel. Each panel contains additional information. Synopsis tabs gives you a comprehensive view of the products along with all the key parameters. Description tab shows you the description found for the product on the store page. Images tab shows you all the images for the product. You may download all the images in a zipped format by clicking on the download icon. Variants tab, wherever available. If the product has multiple SKUs, each representing a variant of the same product, for example, product with different colors, size, etc., you will find those variants on this tab. Finally, the Ads tab will show you all the ads pointing to this product. Clicking on any of the ad will show you another multi-tab panel showing details for the particular ad. This, in a nutshell, defines the top product view and all the available features. I will see you again in another tutorial video. Until then, cheers.